Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to disable animation effects in Windows 11. Windows 11 includes animation and fading effects that add eye candy, but can make your PC feel sluggish for some by adding slight delay to certain actions. For a more snappy experience, it's easy to turn animations off. Here's how. Click on the Windows icon at the taskbar. Choose Settings from the list. A new window will open. Select Accessibility from the left side list. Go to Visual Effects. Look for Animation Effects. Turn the switch to off. You can see that animation is disabled. You can enable the animation. Go to Visual Effects. Look for Animation Effects. Turn the switch to on. You can see that animation is enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!